Light. Cool. Clear. Without light, there is no consciousness. Without consciousness, there is no memory. Without memory, there is no knowledge. Without knowledge, there is no enlightenment.
At every turn, we need fresh air and new knowledge. Breathe deep, till you can smell the rose and fathom my depth. Set then, within these clouds of redolence, in the eternal garden of the beloved, quaffing in the immortal shores of my friendliness, immerse yourself in the ocean of my knowledge, and thrill at the presence of my heavenly dove. Gabriel.
Without consciousness, there is no memory. Without memory, there is no knowledge. Without knowledge, there is no enlightenment. Light. Cool. Clear. Without light, there is no consciousness.